Hey guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel, LaMonicas Lab. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this really easy, simple side part crochet wig. I am doing this video in collaboration with Samsbeauty, so thank you again, Samsbeauty, for sending me this hair to review here on my channel. This is what the beautiful curls look like, and I'm going to show you guys how I installed it quickly on my mannequin head. But if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and let's get right into this tutorial. So all the supplies you'll need is your crochet wig cap. I got this one from my local beauty supply store. You'll also need a crochet needle, of course. Also can be purchased at your local beauty supply store. And here's the hair, the Freekalon Curl Crush. I have it in the Kinsey Curl large barrels, the 20-inch ones. And I have it in the color TT1B/30. And I'm also you can use clips. I'm going to use these clips because I'm going to cut this wig. So here's how the cap looks. The holes are large on both sides and in the back, and then small in the top if you want to make the top a bit fuller depending on the style that you're going for. So I'm just going to pull this down to the nose of my mannequin because I think this head is a bit smaller than mine, but this is how I can get it to fit me properly. And here are the gorgeous curls. This is one pack. The curls are large, like I said, and this color is so pretty. I was so excited to try this color out. So I'm just showing you guys how the curls look, and that is the one pack. But first I'm going to draw a line using a new lip pencil I have on hand because this is where I want to stop and my center part is going to be, or my side part is going to be. So going into one of the holes, I'm going to go ahead and place one of the curl strands on that, close my latch, pull my latch through, or my needle through. And it's already circled, or so that you won't have to spend so much time trying to find the loop. And I'm just going to double loop it so that it can be secure in place. Super easy, you guys, super simple. I eventually did the invisible knot method, where instead of you pulling both strands through the hole, you'll just pull one through the hole. There are so many videos on YouTube showing you guys how to do that, but I just simply did this throughout the head. And this is how it's looking. So and that's the invisible method that I did there on the edge. I just pull one strand through the hole rather than both of the strands. And it just give it a more flatter look. As you can see, I'm showing you guys right here. But like I said, there are many other videos out here on YouTube. And that's just the basis of me doing the whole entire crochet look, just all around the head. And this is what it looked like at the end. Here, I'm showing you guys that I put a clip right there in the front. One on each side and then one in the middle to make sure that it's secure. Don't mind the gel right there on my edge, but that's 2 combs and then 1 comb in the middle. And then this is how it came out. I made it look a little bit more fuzzy. You definitely want to be careful when pulling out these curls because they do tend to get fuzzy, but nothing too stressful for me. I like my curls to be big and wild. So give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this tutorial. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.